You asked an AI to build you something. What came back was impressive, fast, and not quite what you meant. The login flow is there, but it forgot that accountants need read-only access. The dashboard is beautiful, and one number on it is wrong in a way you cannot quite name yet. Last episode, I promised you the first of the 7 problems. Here it is, and you have already met it. In 1986, Fred Brooks wrote the most famous essay in software engineering, No Silver Bullet. One sentence from it has outlived everything around it. The hardest single part of building a software system is deciding precisely what to build. Read that again. Not building it. Deciding what it is. Here is the problem in one line. Humans do not know exactly what they want, and machines require exactness. Someone has to close that gap, and nothing has ever closed it for us. This is the intent gap. For 70 years, we have built tools for this exact problem, and you can watch them replace each other. In the 70s, the requirements document, hundreds of pages, signed off before a line of code. Then use cases, then user stories on index cards, then specification by example. And now, prompts, spec files, and evals. Every one of those is a servant of the same master. The servants keep dying. The gap stays open. And AI is the biggest bet against this problem ever made. Prompting is specification. A prompt is a requirements document you write in 10 seconds. And it fails exactly the way requirements documents fail. The edge case you did not mention. The assumption you did not know you had. The requirement you only discover when you see the wrong thing built. The machine did what you said. It could not do what you meant, because you did not know what you meant yet. This is why vibe coding works brilliantly, right up until it does not. The demo dazzles, the edge case bites, and the gap wins again. 70 years of tools, and the gap did not close. It moved. Precision lived in assembly, then in code, then in models, and now in prompts. Each time, exactness still has to be expressed somewhere, by someone. When building is cheap, deciding becomes the job. So here is the skill to invest in, writing precise intent. Specs that say what done actually means. Examples that pin down the edges. Evals that prove the thing works. The engineers thriving with AI are not the fastest typists, they are the clearest wanters. Try this before you ask an AI for anything. Write down what you actually want first, in full sentences, edge cases included. You will be surprised how often you cannot. That struggle is not a personal failing, it is the oldest problem in the field. Nobody knows what they want. That is why it is problem number 1. But suppose you get intent exactly right, perfectly specified, every edge pinned, every example written. Some software stays stubbornly hard anyway. Why? Next episode, the hard part is hard because the problem is hard. Essential complexity, the invariant Brooks called the essence.